So I'm here to give you all a warning that GameStop stock price is a signal that price is weak. Yep, I'm going to show it to you right now, the chart, because as you see here already in the market at GameStop, I was anticipating that the price was bullish and that the market was going to go up. And as you can see, it did not play out. Now, there was a lot of volatility in the market yesterday for GameStop. You guys can even see right here. GameStop stock price pops as new CEO Ryan Cohen takes the helm of the troubled retailer. Yeah, it popped all right. And then it came right back down to earth. It did not even complete the market up in the trading day. So this lets you know that the market did not take that as a bullish indicator, that Ryan is now the CEO of GameStop. They're like, okay, who cares? The market is, this business is still in trouble. He would have to do some monumental feats in order to let this price in GameStop become more bullish. So seeing that price in GameStop is weak, we need to get rid of this price prediction and then continue to anticipate that the market is going to go lower. So let's cut this price prediction out the way. So that is around 8.35% in the market in GameStop on September 21st, or even on yesterday's trading day. It didn't play out. Price, again, is breaking trend, which is a negative thing that we don't want to see if you're a buyer. You wanted to see GameStop hold this trend line, but instead, all we got was price breaking below it. And then not only that, look at how many times the market and GameStop tried to come back up above the trend, but just to only see it get rejected and come back down. Even on yesterday's trading day, it tried to pop back up above the trend line and we ended below it. GameStop on the 2-day chart. Like, I'm not showing you anything to scare you. I'm just being a realist. This stock chart in GameStop is still weak. We thought this could have been the bottom into the market in GameStop, but I'm here to tell you, you do not want to see weakness in the market at support areas. And this 2-day price bar is weakness. That's weakness to go right alongside the next one, the previous one. Here's GameStop on the 3. More weakness here. So now, I give you one thing. If you're a buyer in GameStop, this is something that you want to have happen. And if it doesn't happen, then you need to prepare yourself for a bigger move to the downside in GameStop. This is it right here. You want to see the market in GameStop hold these areas of support. Right there around like $16.50, $16.45, something like that. You don't want to see price break below that line. Okay? That's if you're a bull. That's if you're a buyer in GameStop. We're about to print or start a new 5-day price bar. And look at what happened on the last one. What about on the weekly chart? Today's the last day of the week. We have 8 hours and 55 minutes left. Once this weekly price bar prints, if it looks the way that it looks now, then yes, I'm going to anticipate that GameStop is still going to go down. Here it is on the 2 weeks. 3 weekly chart, 8 hours, 55 minutes left. Price still looks weak. 5, and then on the monthly, 8 hours, 55 minutes left. This is what the month of September, the price performance of GameStop. This is it right there. This is how GameStop traded for the month of September. Now, $330-minute chart, I can actually see that the buyers are currently trying to support price, or if anything, the sellers are not here yet. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market initially in GameStop try to go up in price, because everyone sees the same thing. They're anticipating that this area in GameStop needs to be maintained as support. So let's say that the market is not going to hold this support line that I've created, like at 16.45. My next area will be down here on these lows to see the market in GameStop run down towards. And to me, it looks like that's where the market is trying to go. Okay. we see GameStop break the low of $15.50, we definitely got some things to talk about then. Just saying. But yeah, this is not a bullish chart. Don't let no one come in and fool you. Don't let them come in and tell you that the short squeeze is still on. This stock chart is weak. So let me go ahead and put this back on the daily and not going to waste your time anymore. We're going to look for price in GameStop to go lower. I'm just going to do these two targets first. And the first one, the market has already came and substantiated that that's where buyers are. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in GameStop hold this area right now. $16.45, $16.50. That's only what, 2.79%. I get it. Okay. My next target is down here around 1540. Let's see what that is. That's 8.66% there. That definitely needs to be the last area of support though. I'm just going to tell you that now. Bring it up a little bit higher. This needs to be the last area of support right there. So that's like 7 3/4. Okay. So we're just going to leave that right there. Drop these two targets real quick. And as trading continues to go on for the rest of 2023, we'll see how low the market goes. Preferably bulls, they need to hold the market right now, maybe a little bit lower. But I'm giving them a little bit more cushion to come in and support price around 1550. That definitely has to be the basis though. That has to be the bottom. If not, it's not going to be good news for GameStop. But that's all I got for you all today. If you're new, hit that like button today and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.